Hey everyone, I wanted to do a little bit of an announcement video. There's a reason why I haven't put out a video as of late. There's been quite a break, and I wanted to address that as well as address some news. So first, I'll start off with saying that I finally bought a house after 2 years of looking. And I could not be happier with what I ended up with, but even more exciting is that this gives me an opportunity to do more and more videos, to put out more and more content for you, because there are a lot of projects that I want to do both in the house and outside of the house. Again, I love plants, as you know, from my channel. So I'm super excited to get back out into a yard and be able to garden. I'm a huge gardener, so that was a really huge piece of my life that I didn't get to partake in over the last few years just because my living situations haven't allowed me to necessarily garden. Hence why I started having a huge obsession with indoor plants, because that was a way for me to get that creative piece of me out. I love tending to plants, caring for them, watching them grow, and obviously the look of them is wonderful, and it just brings a different feel to every room that they're in. And so, like I said, I'm super excited because I get to get back out into a yard and do yard work and gardening, and most people are probably like, ugh, but I actually love doing those things. I love being out in the yard, whether it's mowing the grass, weeding, gardening, raking leaves, whatever it might be. Whatever gets me outside is really something that I enjoy. So like I said, I bought a house actually back in August. And the process in itself was just very stressful, and there was a lot that went into it, and I had put out a few videos prior to that and just kind of going through the roller coasters of purchasing a home. If any of you are familiar with that process, it is not an easy one. I do not believe people are lying when they say that buying a house is one of the most stressful things that you will ever do. It's very true, but I'm glad that I, persisted through it. I had kind of, not to go into the whole story, but over the 2 years of looking, I had already put 4 offers in on different homes and lost them. And just going through that whole roller coaster, it is tough. And anybody that I talk to, I do express that, yeah, it's going to be emotional. It's going to be difficult at times. You're going to find yourself wanting to walk away from the process, which I did. And again, having to create content and put content out there was very hard for me during that time because, one, I was very limited to the type of projects that I could do just because of my living situations. But two, that process is very emotional and stressful and tiring. And so the last thing I wanted to do is figure out a way to put content out there. And so, I really wanted to take a step back too. And I kind of had explored with my first videos, doing some different projects and kind of getting my feet wet again in the YouTube world, in recording videos and editing and doing all those things. And so I had a lot of fun with those videos. I love those videos. But I am super excited because I think that now that the stress of the home process and the time that it took out of my schedule and just the exhaustion that came with it is no longer there. So I'm super excited because that means that I get to create more content for you. And again, doing YouTube videos is fun for me, and I hope that you guys enjoy them too. And, I'm trying to navigate my way through all the ins and outs of that, and there's a lot of work that goes with it, and this isn't my only job. So I get pulled away for a lot of different things. And so, I kind of, in a way, needed the break, even though it was a short time that I had put videos out there. Like I said, it was enough for me to kind of get my feet wet again in this whole process and really get a feel for where I want to take my channel. And so, long story short, I just wanted to put this video out there and let you guys know that I am going to be creating more content. I apologize for the break in there, but I hope you all understand, and I know that you guys will enjoy the content that I'm going to be putting together, and I'm excited to take you guys along with me on all my house projects. And so we are going into winter here, so unfortunately a lot of the outside stuff is not going to be happening until spring, but I will have a couple videos coming out shortly that are outdoor related. Hopefully you guys can watch those and get some ideas and inspiration for what you can do in the spring. Winter is a great time to plan for your outdoor projects in relation to gardening and those kind of things. So plenty of indoor projects to do during the winter, so I'm excited to take you guys along for that. But yeah, so I just want to say hey again. Welcome to my channel if you're new to the channel. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, go back and watch the videos that are out there, and then I hope you guys watch the videos that are coming in the future. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Bye.